Hi friends, good morning to all of you. In this video, we are going to discuss how we can do login and log off from the system, how we can add the credentials in SAP GUI, what is SAP GUI, okay. So that we are all going to discuss what are the different areas in SAP, so that we are going to discuss in that how you can ways to do login and log out or log off, that we will see. So let me take you to SAP logon. So once you install SAP, it that icon will display on your desktop and it will looks like that. So once you just double click on that, you can see, and like in your case, once you take a server, then so many servers will not be visible to you. But like I'm working on some of the projects also, so these servers are there, and I also have different servers, so that's the reason it's showing. But in your case, you will see only single server, and just double click on that, or just click on that and click on log on from here. So just click and log on, and then this screen will open, okay. And this is SAP logon, or you can say graphical user interface, SAP GUI, that is required, like that's a required to add the credentials. So that's just a front end installer, so it's required. Once you have that, you have installed that SAP logon, then you can add your credentials. And in SAP logon itself, there are several versions like 740, 760 release, or 800, 770 release. So whatever versions you have, you can use. But like latest version of S4 HANA 2023, it can be used with 760 version or above versions. So if you are using S4 HANA's latest version 2023, then you must have SAP logon 760 or above versions, right? Let's say first time how you need to add the credentials, just go here and go to connections, just click on that page icon and go to connections, and here just click on next, and here you need to give the details, and connection type is by default custom application server. And then just give all these details like description, application server, instant number, system ID, okay. So all these four fields are required. This SAP router string is not required if you are using Windows, but if you are using Mac, then it's required only. So just give all these details, and then just next, just click on next two times, and just click on finish. Then it will visible like that. So just select from here and click on log on, or you can also double click on that, like that you will come on that log on screen. So here you need to give your user ID and your password and hit enter. So once you hit enter, you just came to this screen. So this is first screen that used to come once you do login, and that screen we used to say SAP easy access screen. So in that screen itself, there are four areas. So that's a SAP easy access screen where mostly time end users work. So in that SAP easy access screen, there are four areas. First strip, where I'm moving my cursor right now, is a menu bar. Second bar, like where I'm moving my cursor right now, is a standard toolbar. There where I'm moving my cursor right now, where SAP easy access screen is, SAP easy access is written, that's a title bar. And that's last where I'm moving my cursor right now, this last strip, we used to say application toolbar. So it's mainly have four areas, and from here you can navigate and you can go to any like screen, okay. And like if you want to create a purchase order, you can go to this node, and you can go to material management, you can go to purchasing, you can go to purchase order node. And if you want to create, you just double click on this. If you want to change, you can double click on that, like that you can do, okay. So that's a SAP easy access screen, right? And these are four areas. So now we are going to see how we can log off, how we can log out from the system or how we can log off. We have already seen how to log in. For login, simply just give your user ID or password, hit enter, you will log in. How to log off? So there are 4 ways to log off. First is in menu bar, just go to system and you can see this last tab, log off tab is there. So just click on that and you can simply log off. But before that, system will send that pop-up message like unsaved data will be lost. Do you want to log off? If you will select yes, you will simply log off. So let me log in again. Let me give my username and password here and hit enter. So it's log on. So this is first way to log off. Second way, in standard toolbar where I'm moving my cursor right now, this is a standard toolbar. So in standard toolbar you can see this orange color icon here. This is log off icon. So once I click on this, I can simply log off from here. So the system again asking to me, unsaved data will be lost. Do you want to log off? Let me say no. This time I'm not going to log off. So 2 ways we have discussed. Third way to log off is just go in this we used to say command prompt. So just go to command prompt and use T code /NEND. So this T code just use and hit enter. But before that, what's a T code? T code is a transaction code. Like for each and every transaction, there is a unique code that we used to say T code or a transaction code. So that's a T code. Hit enter and that same pop-up message will come. Sorry, unsaved data will be lost. Do you want to log off? No. So total 3 ways we have discussed. Fourth way, just use T code /NEX and hit enter. See the magic. In single step, I'm able to log off. So that's a difference in these 4 ways to log off. Let me log in again. Like in rest 3 ways, every time system will throw me a pop-up message. Do you want to log off or not? Like a permission. But in that last option, once I use /NEX, in a single step itself, it's log off. Okay. So that's a difference between these last type log off using T code /NEX. You can see in single step, without system will not throw me any pop-up message, directly it will log off. But in another ways, that system will pop up me this message. Okay, no. So like that we can log off. And one more way is there to log off is just click on that cross icon, close icon, and it will log off if only one session is open. If multiple sessions are open, then it's going to close the sessions first, then only we will able to log off. So that we will discuss later on. Okay, so this is how we can log off, right? 4 ways to log off, right? I guess that's clear. So thank you. Thanks a lot. May